Okay, next objective in this section is talking about the mode. The mode is just defined as the data value that occurs most often. So it's just the data value that we see the most, right? You see the most. So let's take a look at some examples. Let's find the mode. How about I have 7, 2, 4, 7, 8, and 10. What is our mode here? Well, we see 7, right, occurs the most. So 7 is our mode. So very nice. Data item that we see the most. How about our next example? We have 2, 1, 4, 5, and 3. We see that they all occur once. All of them occur the same. So there is no most. So here there's no mode. All right, so if we don't see a data item that is seen more than any other, there is no mode. How about example C? We got 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6. Here we see that 3 and 6 occur the most. So our mode here is 3 and 6 is our mode. All right, so the one that occurs the most. What if we had a frequency distribution table? All right, so we got 1 through 7. 2, 4, 5, 6. Oops, erase this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 4, 3. All right. So this is our frequency distribution table. Keep in mind that this is your data, and this is how many times you see it. Or in other words, how many times it occurs. So we're looking for the highest number here. 7 is the highest, so 4 is the mode, right? Because we want it to be a data item. So your mode here is 4. And what if we had a histogram, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once, twice. How about 5 times? How about 4 times? How about 3 times? Once again, this is our data. This is the frequency. So it's going to be one of these answers. It's just which one is the tallest bar, right? So here, our mode is 30. So some nice examples of the mode. And then the last thing that we have left, which is the mid-range. This mid-range is nice as well. Nice mode of central tendency. The mid-range is obtained by adding the lowest and highest data value and dividing the sum by 2. So we find it by adding the lowest and highest data values, and we divide that sum by 2. Well, in other words, we can just say, all right, mid-range. I'm sorry, let me take that line off here. Let's start it over. Mid-range is lowest plus highest divided by 2. All right, this is how we find our mid-range. So example, let's find the mid-range. Let's see what we got here for some examples. I got 7, 4, 3, 2, 8, 5, 1, and 3. All right, these are our data items. And all we want to do is find the mid-range. So what is our lowest number? 1. What is our highest number? 8. And we divide that by 2. Right, so to get 9 over 2, so 4.5 is our mid-range. And how about one more example here? Let's take a look at a histogram. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We see this 5 times, we see this 3 times, we see this 5 times, we see this 1 time, we see this 4 times. We're looking at the data items, right? So this is the lowest. That's the highest. So we just add those. $10 plus 50 divided by 2. So 10 plus 50 gives us a what? 60. All right, divide that by 2. So our answer is 30. So this completes 2.2. Have any questions?